My name is Jacob Bo Sr. I was a student for ID Tech in 2007 and 2008. I did the 3D game design course. I went to East Tennessee State University. My focus was in game design, then went on to be an instructor teaching the 3D game design course at ID Tech. So I'm a gameplay designer with Epic Games. ID Tech was my first experience with Unreal Engine. Back then it was called the Unreal Engine Developers Kit, UDK for short. Unreal Engine opens up a lot of careers simply because there are plenty of studios outside of gaming using it. There are people using it for commercials and full-length movies. It's important to learn coding basics and robotics and AI and all of those wonderful things because it creates building blocks. It puts tools into your tool belt. You can take one principle from one thing and transfer that exact same knowledge and tool set over to something else, and it helps you think about the world in a different way. Some people say that learning piano is the best way to get into instruments because once you've learned the principles that are behind a piano, you can then take that to guitar or you can take it to any other instrument. The same thing can be said about STEM.